Hi, my name is Jovelyn. I am a money mindset hypnotherapist, and today we're going to go through a powerful abundance meditation that you can do every single day that can bring about more money, more wealth, and more prosperity into your life. So, when you're ready, make sure you find yourself a nice, quiet spot where you won't be disturbed for the next 10 minutes. And within that room, find yourself a comfortable chair. Place your feet firmly on the ground with your back straight and your hands in your lap. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Now, as you close your eyes, why don't you go ahead and visualize sparkling golden light and energy surrounding you. See that sparkling golden light in front of you, beside you, above you, and behind you. And see this golden light as all the prosperity and wealth and abundance that is out in the universe. See that sparkling golden light sparkle all around you. And if you can't see it, see if you can feel what it's like to be wealthy. How does it make you feel when you imagine your life, your dream life? How does it make you feel in your heart? Now see these golden particles of light all around. And when you're ready, take a big, deep breath in through your nose. And as you do this, see the particles enter your nose, enter your body. And see that sparkling golden light surround your mind, shining bright into every single cell of your mind. And as it surrounds your mind, it's healing your mind and clearing your mind from any negativity, any thoughts that doesn't serve you, or any scarcity mindset thoughts that are preventing you from moving forward with your finances and attracting wealth into your life. See it swirling around your mind, clearing your mind. Take a big deep breath in to the count of 3 and hold your breath for the count of 9 and feel every cell in your entire body being plumped up with wealth and prosperity. And exhale to the count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, take a big inhale through your nose and see these particles enter your nose and expand it within your body. Hold and see in your mind's eye your body radiating with these golden, prosperous, abundance light. And after the count of 9, exhale to the count of 6. And one last time, slowly take a big breath in. Big abundance breath. Hold it for 9 seconds and picture all of the abundance and prosperity on its way to you now in avalanches. See it shining your whole body, every single cell. And when you're ready, exhale to the count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now feel what it's like being prosperous and abundant. See your body radiating with golden light. With every breath that you take, your chest expands, your body expands with abundance. And as you exhale, see yourself exhale anything that doesn't belong in your body, any cloudiness, any darkness, any negativity, any negative thoughts that doesn't serve you. And every breath that you take, you are healing your body from this negativity. You are releasing and clearing any scarcity mindsets that you have. And you're inhaling the prosperity, wealth, and abundance that this world has to offer you. And you can take however long you want to take with this meditation. But it can be as simple as 5 minutes every day. And this is called the abundance breaths. So now that you have this meditation, you no longer have to feel like you need to set a lot of time for your meditation. I know life can get in the way. We can get busy. We'll be running around with a list in our heads of what we need to do in our day. So if you'd like to attract more abundance and wealth into your life, this law of attraction technique is extremely powerful. You just need to take a moment every day to do this. And when you add emotion to this meditation, when you feel what it's like to be abundant, when you feel what it's like to be wealthy, and it doesn't have to be in a materialistic way. It could be abundance in your relationships, abundance of health, prosperity in many different ways, that it doesn't necessarily need to be about money or materialistic things. But the key is to feel and to visualize the sparkling golden energy that you're breathing into every cell of your body. And once you really get into these deep breaths, over time, you won't even need to close your eyes. So I hope this helps. If you'd like to download this audio, feel free to download it from the description. Or you can visit jovelinhead.com. I look forward to hearing all about how this meditation has helped you. So feel free to send me an email or leave a comment in the comments below. Thank you for joining me.